For several thousand years, the only option to light our living spaces were candles and lamps. In 1879, Thomas Alva Edison had a great idea on how to improve a 50-year-old design. And the first commercially viable incandescent light bulb able to produce a reliable, long-lasting source of light was born. Over the next 100 years, incandescent bulbs would take over the world. Bulbs became larger, brighter, more durable, and were made to last much longer. But they used a lot of energy. In the 1960s, energy-efficient lighting became popular with the advent of fluorescent lights. These lights were much more efficient, but the color temperature they produced was cold and sterile, as opposed to the warm yellow of incandescent bulbs. Regrettably, the energy-saving fluorescent light bulbs contain poisonous mercury gas. Meanwhile, since 1962, the energy-saving, environment-friendly, long-lasting solution of LED lights was maturing. Today, modern LEDs can emit an almost infinite range of colors and brightness, while maintaining their energy efficiency and a very long lifespan. And like its ancestors, the LED lights are rapidly taking over the world, ready to brighten our future. Fortunately, the world's first affordable and easy-to-integrate LED lighting control solution is now available and is fully compatible with most major lighting control brands. Our latest lighting innovations involve the way we control and automate LED brightness and color through an array of interfaces, including smartphones and tablets. At Integrated LED Controls, we stand at the forefront of a long line of lighting innovators, pursuing the same goal of excellence and innovation as they did. So whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or a lighting integration professional, we hope you'll visit us at www.integratedledcontrols.com to explore the latest innovations in the evolution of lighting control and LED integration.